doing it today on the dyno is an LS 441 cubic inch motor. Just got done making some beautiful power. It has a March kit on here. It's obviously missing the crank pulley right now, but other than that, painted water pump, custom painted water pump, custom painted block, everything's all done. Got the chrome intake on here, all the chrome accessories and stuff like that. It's going on an airboat. It's going to be interesting, pretty cool. And if you have any questions about any of our badass builds, do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Hey Brian, got your airboat engine here. It's our LS 441 cubic inch. I'm going to fire this beastie thing up and let her take a ride. Fires right up beautifully. Right down.